Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to use Roblox Connect. Now just need to guys search for Roblox Connect. This is a guys new this is a new game that allow you to call or make a call on Roblox. Let me show you how can you use it. This is how the interface look, and so basically this game allow you to connect with your friend via call. So to make a call you just need to make sure that you have enabled the microphone from the privacy. Now just need to click on this mic or avatars and now click on call a friend. Now you can see that these are the recent calls I made on on this game. Just click on this uh, add icon and just open the list of the friends you have on Roblox. And now you just need to click on this phone call log and click on any of the call log next to the user, next to the friend. Just click on it and your call will be made. As you can see, your call will be made. And yeah, that's how you can play it. That's how you can use it. You can also you can do these emojis. Fine. So this is how you can use it. It's a very simple app. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and this is how you can play this game.